Very beautiful morning to everyone. Today I am here to deliver my views based on Children's Day. Before I begin my topic, don't forget to do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Firstly, Dronacharya Shivani wishing all the kids a very happy Children's Day and a very happy Diwali. Guys, did you observe one thing, that Diwali and Children's Day are lying on the same day? So let's bring a very colorful and beautiful lights into our kids' life. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Before 1964, India celebrated Children's Day on 20th November. That was observed as the Universal Children's Day by the United Nations. But after Jawaharlal Nehru's death in 1964, it was unanimously decided to celebrate his birthday as Bal Divas in India as a token for his love and affection. Once Pandit Nehru said that the children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way they bring them up will determine the future of the country. So, on this Children's Day, let's take a pledge to ensure that every child in this country enjoys equal rights, safety and quality education. Friends, now I would like to talk about the problems that are facing by our children in India. Thousands of children in India face the problem of malnutrition, sanitation, safe drinking water, shelter, quality education and information because of poverty. Coming to health issues, India finds a prominent mention in the annual global tally of deaths of children under age 5. For every 1,000 live births, 42 die, and for every 20 seconds a child dies from preventable causes like pneumonia, newborn infections, birth complications, malaria, diarrhea, etc. Coming to lack of education, UN report recently revealed that India is home to the world's largest population of illiterate adults and contributes 37% of the global total. Coming to survival issues, there are sharp inequities in mortality rates across India. For example, under 5 mortality rate in Kerala is much lower than the mortality rate in the Madhya Pradesh. Dear friends, as per census 2011, India with population 121.1 crore has 37.24 crore children under the age group 0 to 14 years, which constitutes 30.76% of the total population. Now I would like to keep forward some of the articles of child rights. Under Article 19, a child have right to be protected from physical and mental violence, neglect, sexual abuse and exploitation while they are in the care of their parents or any other person. Article 3, Para 2 gives the child the rights to such protection and care as is necessary for his or her well-being. Friends, is it not fun talking about child labors, child marriages, child abusements, etc.? Friends, today we are in that stage where we Google and search that how do we stop child labors, how do we stop child marriages, how do we stop child abusements and how do we protect our little ones in our country. Is it not fun? Today we ourselves are creating these issues and we ourselves are searching for the solutions. Friends, today on this Children's Day, let's take an oath. Let's banish these social evils from India and see these social evils only in the English Oxford Dictionary, not in the dictionary of our great India. Even though life is peaceful and tranquil, but still, we must bear the warning in the mind. Why, my dear friends? Firstly, I would like to present something special upon Children's Day. From a child, we learn giggling, laughing and playing. Let us continue to celebrate the Day of Children. Children are gift of God for us. May the purity of your child's heart never fade. From a child, we must learn to be happy for no reason. 1 hour with a child will teach you a lifetime worth of joy and innocence. Childhood is about glee and playfulness. May the laughter and innocence of a child last for a lifetime. Kids are the world's greatest happiness. Children are budding stars. The more you inspire them, the more they learn. Everybody's best childhood memory is falling asleep on the couch and waking up in bed. Every child is a different kind of flower and altogether they make this world a beautiful garden. Celebrate this Children's Day with your little buddies. Make a promise that to bring joy in their life. Let us join our hands on this Children's Day to make this world a safer place for our little ones. जिसका बाल दिवस होता कैसे बच्चे होते हैं, खाने के ढाबे पर अभी बर्तन बच्चे धोते हैं, भूख गरीबी लाचारी में जीवन इनका बीत रहा, जाने कितने नौ निहाल बस पेट पकड़ कर सोते हैं, जाने कितने नौ निहाल बस पेट पकड़ कर सोते हैं. खेल कूद शैतानी करना जिद करना तो भूल गए, खेल कूद शैतानी करना जिद करना तो भूल गए, इनको पता चलेगा कैसे अक्षर कैसे होते हैं, इनको पता चलेगा कैसे अक्षर कैसे होते हैं, महाशक्ति बनकर उभरेगा कैसे कोई देश भला, भूख अशिक्षा बीमारी में जिसके बच्चे होते हैं, भूख अशिक्षा बीमारी में जिसके बच्चे होते। No doubt there is a development in our country, no doubt there is a development in our country, but guys remember we still have child labor in our country, we still have child abusement in our country, and we still have child marriages in our country. Guys, days are passing, months are passing, years are passing, and it's 2020 now. We're still facing these social evils in our India. Now it's time to celebrate this Children's Day by making India a child labor free India, a child marriage free India, and a child abusement free India. And let's do this and let's prove it. Yes, today's children are tomorrow's citizens. With this thought, I would like to end my say. Thank you. Thank you so much guys for watching my video. अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो don't forget to comment in the comment section, and also do like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's catch up in my next video. Until that, keep watching and sharing my videos. See you soon and take care. Keep smiling and rocking.